Day number 19 in the Best Easy Work relaunch. In this video, I'm going to talk about the two things we've talked about previously, automation and improvement. So this one video is going to touch on both of those topics, the idea of automating your business and also the idea of improving and learning new things so you can expand your business. So in this video, video number 19, day number 19, we're going to talk about tools you need in your business. Now, there's certain tools you need in your business in order to help it run more efficiently. And the tool I'm going to talk to you about today is called a rotator. And if you're not familiar with what a rotator is, in a second I'm going to show you what that does and then leave you to kind of implement that as part of your business plan online here. So in the action step, there's going to be a link below that's going to get you to the rotator that I'm going to feature in this video, so you could definitely go ahead, practice, and use it. So what is a rotator? Now, a rotator, very simply, is something that rotates multiple links. So you can imagine if you have, say, 3 links, so 1, 2, and 3 links. So it could be a lead capture page, right? So say you have a lead capture page. I'll call this lead capture page, LCP. And let's say you have another lead capture page. You have 2 of them that you want to test. So you have 2 good ones and you don't know which one to use sometimes. You're like, I'm not quite sure which one I should use. And then let's say you have another business, let's say a marketing tool that you use. Now I have a marketing tool that I use that I advertise as well to get leads and signups to. And it all works in tandem with Best Easy Work. So it just all flows together. So my process is, it's actually a $7 product that I offer, that I market. And so I'm just going to put $7 product here. So let's say that's what I have. That's, that was your system. So you have these 3 links. You have 2 lead capture pages and you have a product that you advertise. And let's say you're advertising them on, the different free sources that I've showed you. So I've showed you all these 10 free traffic sources that you could use. So let's say you go into all these places, you're advertising, and you have these 3 links that you want to advertise. And when you go there, you have to put, you're advertising with this one, you're putting lead capture page number 1, and you're going here, you're like, well, I would really like to put lead capture page number 2 there too, but it takes too much work to put all of them on there, then go through the whole list and put ads on there with all the 3 different links. So you want to put, say, both lead capture pages on here plus the $7 product you're advertising. It's like, is there an efficient way that you could do it? And the answer is yes to that. So let's say we're going to take this for instance. Say, for instance, you went to LootClick, right? And you wanted to advertise all 3 of these all at once. What you could do is actually put it in a rotator. So a rotator is just a bucket. It's just a bucket that you put these links in. So you actually put all these links in this bucket, and then you go place your ad. And when you place your ad, you actually put this link in your ad. So instead of using these links, you just put this link, because this link contains all the other 3 links. So that means when someone clicks on this right here, so someone's going to click on here. So someone's going to click on there. They're going to click that from your ad. What's going to happen is this rotator is going to show them link number 1. So it's going to show them lead page number 1, right? Then if someone else clicks, it's going to show them lead page number 2, and then ultimately lead page number 3. So you could see that you don't need to put all 3 different links and make 3 separate ads. You could just make one ad, put the link in that ad, and then when people click on it, it's going to give them a different website in a sense. So pretty much your ad would look like this. You have an ad, it has 3 headlines, and then you say click here. And when you say click here, that link that people are clicking is actually going to be the link for the rotator. So this is your rotator here. So this is the link they'll actually click on. Instead of clicking on this, they'll click on the rotator link, and the rotator link is what will show them these different pages. So that's the simplified version of it. So let me go show you what that looked like. So in the description box, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. It's a free rotator that has quite some neat features to it that I like about it. It's a very neat system here. And you can read about all that it does here. And when you're just ready to start, pretty much it's a simple process, a very easy sign up process. You just hit the sign up button here or the get started. And once you hit get started, it asks for your name, your email address. You create a username and a password, and bingo, you're done. You could press the button that says sign up free, and then you're done. You'll get access to the back office, and this is what the back office looks like. So let me go. Alright, so this is the back office here. And in a minute I'm going to show you how to place your links. So the back office, pretty simple, straightforward process. Not much to it, but a very powerful system to use to rotate your links. So let's say I have these two lead capture pages. You see that's one lead capture page, and of course that's another lead capture page that I use. And let me do something here. I'm gonna get that one up so you could actually see it. Alright. So I'm gonna get that system up so you could see it as well. So this is the next lead capture page I have. So like I mentioned in this whiteboard here, I have two lead capture pages and a $7 product I offer that I promote on the these free traffic sources. So since those are three things I promote on the free traffic exchanges, to maximize my time and prevent me from placing one ad with that lead capture page, another ad with that lead capture page, and another ad with that lead capture page, I could just put one link out there, and when people click on it, they'll get to different pages that I advertise. So these are the three links. So 1, 2, and you can see this one is 3. So those 3 links I want to advertise on, say, pages like these, and I automate the process. And the way I automate that process is I create a rotator link. So to create a rotator link, all I do is come to TPM Rotator here, and under Rotator Setup, right here, you can see when you click this, it's going to take you to a place that allows you to actually create a rotator name. So you could go create a rotator name. I could call this Best BEW and $7 system. And you could do the same thing too. I mean, depending on what you're doing, you could certainly create this as well. So I add it, and when I add it, it's going to give me a link that I'm able to put all these different links in. So you can see, let me see, you're going to see Best Easy Work and $7 system. I'm going to go edit it. So it's going to tell you how many sites you have in there. Right now I don't have any sites in there, so I'm going to put some sites in there. So when I edit it, you can see that it gave me a URL that when people click on it, these links that I'm going to put in there are going to show up. So I'm going to put this as being lead page number 1, and I'm going to go grab this link right here and copy it, and then I'm going to put that link in my rotator. So that's one. I'm going to add it. So that one's added. Now I'm going to put lead page number 2, and I'm going to grab the lead capture page. I'm going to put it in the rotator, so that's 2. Add it, and then I'm going to add this system here that I promote. And you're going to see how cool this is, and you could do the very same thing. However, whatever you're promoting, you could put different links in it and just advertise one time and have people go to 3 different sites. So that one, and then I'm going to call this the $7 system. Okay. And that's it. You can see I've added all 3 sites. So when someone click on this link, so I'm just going to click on this link and open a new tab. You can see this is it. So the first lead page shows up, right? Then when I refresh it, you're going to see that the second one shows up. So it just rotates them. I put 3 in there, it's just going to rotate them, and then that one shows up. And I could refresh again, and so you see they're just rotating. So what I would do is actually take this link, right? I copy this link, and I'll actually go make an ad with it. So if I make an ad, say I was making an ad on LootClick, I would say something like, make money all day long. And instead of putting the website address, I put my TPM Rotator link. And now when people click on this link, they're going to go to all the different websites I have in the Rotator. So that's a simple system you could use to automate your business when you're posting on these free traffic sources. Because you know what? You're going to go there anyway and spend some time doing it. Might as well you maximize the efforts on there by giving yourself an option to advertise more than one thing on these platforms. So this makes it super easy. Now here's a cool trick. Let's say one of these rotators is not working well. Let's say somehow, this rotator, lead page number 1, it wasn't working as well, right? It wasn't the best one that was working well on these free sources. I could actually come here and I could edit it. I could click this button and I could actually take out this link and put whatever else I want in there. So that's how, if you advertise like say months ago and it's not bringing you a whole lot of traffic and you say, you know what, I want to see something else. I want to test another link and see if that link will work better. You could come here and edit it, take this out altogether and put something else in there. I'm just going to put this one again just for, showing an example. I could put that one in there again, update it, and now it could be a different one. So now you see I put both of them, they're the same. But this is how you could change them out. So if you placed an ad somewhere a long time ago, you have no idea where you placed that ad, and you can't change it, right? You can't edit these ads edit them because they've been on the site for a long time. You could change up the links in your rotator and still keep them fresh. So even though you're getting traffic, say you're getting traffic to something you don't promote anymore, or traffic to a link that's just not working well, you could swap it out, and this way it doesn't mess up the link and it doesn't mess up your traffic. So that was the training for today. Definitely go to TPM Rotator, sign up for a free account, start using this, and using it in your advertisement, because what this does, it automates the process that you don't have to constantly try and remember which links you're using, where you post them. If you're getting traffic and you want to swap them out, it's just a simple process of going to the back office here, changing your links, and then this will change them everywhere else that you've been advertising those links. So very simple lesson today. Go get your rotator. This will definitely save you a lot of time in your business.